Hi, I'm Rock Justin Uzi, and this is a story about how I almost became a Tamaraw basketball player. When I was still in senior high school, I was all about basketball. When I was addicted to buying shoes and wearing it till I don't even know the original feel. The type of varsity guy who flunks out of school and only shows up for practice. The type of guy who tells everyone that he can dunk or touch the rim. All I dreamt about is playing basketball professionally, whether it's in the NBA, PBA, or the International League. One day, someone from FEU talked to me about being a part of a team and what you'll get once you're part of it. Because Tamara players get free shoes, allowance, dorm, and many more. And it's every guy's dream. So half of my grade 12 experience was just me daydreaming about hitting a game winner shot for FEU and becoming a historic player for the school. I often get scolded by my teachers because I was not fully focused in school, like watching highlights of LeBron and asking myself how did Westbrook average a triple double. But who can blame me? I was young and I thought I was going to fulfill my dream and do what I ought to. I woke up every morning thinking about I was going to be in a tarpaulin in Manila, showing me being a part of the varsity team and getting a championship. But then pandemic happened. At first I was happy that I won't go to school anymore, so I would go straight to college. But I was naive because I was so confident that I was going to FEU that I didn't even try to take an entrance exam to other schools. I was waiting for weeks and it turned to months, but nothing happened. I was stuck at my room wondering what would happen if pandemic was just a fluke or something. I waited until it was almost enrollment time for almost all of the schools. And I want and that's where I realized that I wasn't going to do what I want and just accepted the fact that I won't get to play for any schools. So yeah.